Tesla Motors lost money in the first quarter, but that's not surprising. What was surprising was the company moving up its production target of delivering 500,000 vehicles by 2 years. Maddie, they're on pace to deliver about 50,000 this year. So by 2018, they're going to deliver 10 times the number of vehicles?
What's 10x between friends, Chris? I thought Elon Musk
vision.
on the shareholder letter actually had the ultimate understatement. He said, increasing production fivefold over the next 2 years will be challenging and will require some additional capital. Yes, it will definitely require additional capital. It will require, I think, Tesla's becoming the best manufacturer on Earth, which is what he actually said on the conference call. He said, that's what we're aiming to do, and that's really the only way we'll be able to get to some kind of number like that. I mean, they're really hoping by the end of the second quarter to be at a rate of 2,000 units per week. Now, that would put them, on an annual basis at about 100,000, like exiting the year. So they're ramping up very fast, but getting to 500,000 is going to take quite a lot. They have the Gigafactory coming online later this year. That's ahead of schedule, but there's no doubt in my mind that they're going to have to raise a lot more capital.
Don't get me wrong. The aspiration to be the greatest manufacturer on Earth is a wonderful one, but the clock is now ticking, and it's set for 2 years earlier than it was before. So it's not just we want to be the best manufacturer; it's we want to be the best manufacturer in the next 2 years.
Well, not only that, I think it's also essentially being what no manufacturing company has ever done in history, and that's I'm not one to bet against Elon Musk. But that's going to be quite an achievement.
I think the real story here is the nonchalance in Chris's voice there when he's talking about Tesla losing money. He's like, yeah, we knew that was coming. That's no big deal. I mean, at some point, you got to put up or shut up, right?
Do they need to reach those production levels to justify the current value of the stock?
If they reach those production levels, let me tell you, I think the stock's actually cheap.
Okay.
So I don't think they need to do that. The reason they need to hit that number is because of the demand for the Model 3. If you have any hope as a Model 3 buyer to get your car before 2018, they really almost have to hit those kind of production levels.